Record lecture, share screen. We will start with P6, share. Hi, afternoon. This is Said. So today is the fifth video in this tutorial. I will make this video on P6. Before all over the video, we have made either it was theoretical portion or it was on the Excel. So we will learn how to make the time schedule in P6. Last time we learned how to make the schedule in the Excel. So in this tutorial we will learn four things. First thing is how to make the time schedule, how to uh, make the WBS, how to make the EPS, how to add the activities, and how to give the relationship among the activities. So these are the things which we will discuss in this one. So let's have some introduction with this P6. P6 actually this screen, this dashboard divided into two. This window, this portion is called the activity uh, list, and this is the bar chart area, and this is the activity detail window. So activity list window, bar chart, and this is the activity detail window. For example, here we have one activity demarcation. So for demarcation, if you go to the general tab, you will see all the detailing. Same like status, resources, predecessor. This all the things will be discussed later on. So let's start create how to create the new project. Before that, we will make one EPS. EPS simply like your enterprise structure. Okay, we will go to the EPS, then like enterprise project structure. Then you can add one name. This file is added here. You can give Primavera training course. Here you can write Primavera training course. Okay, so this EPS simply our enterprise project structure. You will assign some responsible manager, then you will close it. Then this project is previously created and it is open. If you want to create new project, you have two options. One, you just directly click here. Otherwise, you go to the file and you can find this option. Then it is asking select the EPS, under which EPS. So just now we created one EPS PTC Primavera training course. So just double click it, then go to the next. Then you have to give some ID number. Let's say 4860. We give the ID number, and we will give some name like Rama, like something. Okay. Then we will go next. You have to give your project start date. So you can otherwise you can customize also some other date. Let's say today is the start date, or maybe we can say 20 May will be the start date. So we can change the date. We will go next. Then we have to assign the responsible manager for this project. This for example, you can change this one, but we have to define OBS, organizational breakdown structure, then we can import, then finish. Now this project has been created. Now how to open this project? Either go from here, open, otherwise file, then open. Then what was the name of the project? Under the PTC, this project it was. So open. Now it is a blank project. So this from start, you can create a project. So today we will learn simple how to make WBS, how to add the WBS. But before that, if you are telling WBS, then what does the WBS mean? WBS mean the work breakdown structure. You have the big work, you have a project, then you will divide into various components. You will make the decomposition. So for example, if you have the building projects, then you have different work below the ground level, above the ground level, structure work, finishes work, MEP works. Like this you will make classify. So this button is for adding the WBS. Now you see when we click here, it was activity window, it shift to the WBS window. So under WBS window, you will go this and you will add. How you can add? You will just click, you will get this one. So let's say first we say excavation work. Then second you add, let's say foundation work, and then after you can add like superstructure work. Then you can add one more, like you can say finishes work. So this WBS you divided. If you want to make the same label, just make indent and make indent. You can make from here, you can make same label, you can make same label. So you can go to the activity window now. Now different WBS had been created. One thing is, for example, excavation, you will add different activities. So simply all the activities one by one you explain here. Like for example, first activity is site clearing, second activity is like demarcation, third activity is like excavation. Like this manually you can add one by one. One option is that adding the activity. Then for example, second WBS, you just click add, and whatever the activities under that WBS you can add all this. One method of adding the activity is like this. We will learn another method. Click shift, you can select this one, then delete. You can delete all these activities, then press shift button and delete it. Okay, now we will learn how to export the file into Excel format, and if some data is in Excel, how to import it. So first of all you have to export, then you can import it. So you go to the file, export, then spreadsheet, select this item, then next, then I need only the activity details, so this one you check this one, and next, then modify. Here you can select the columns whatever you need in your sheet. If you need to add, for example, some cost related, actual labor cost, just click here, you will get it. If you want to return it back, just click here. Okay, then next, then where you want to save this file, just open this folder. Let's say here I want to 4860 activities. Open, next, then close it. Then it is displaying message that this file has been exported successfully. Close it, then go same location, uh, training lecture 4860. Okay, now new share, we will, yes, yeah. So this file which I export, now I open this file, uh, select it. Okay, now we have activity ID, activity status, WBS code, activity name. This we can make it large. Then duration, start date, finish date. Now we want to add our data. This is 1000. Make it here. Then let's say all the activities not started. Then this WBS code, and then this site clearing. This we will go to our Excel sheet. Where we create this already. So in last lecture we created all these activities in Excel. So just we will copy it and we will go to here and we will just paste it. Okay, so here we will drag here. Yeah, 17 activities. Now here is one column duration. So we will go this one. Then we will copy here, Control C. Share. Then we will bring here. We will paste. Now paste it a number. Okay. One thing is important here. This is in the number format. P6 will understand in the text format. To do this one, you just go to the data column, next, comma. From here you can convert. You just click to the text. Then all this number will be converted into the text format. Then finish. Now it change into the text format. For start date, end date, you can just simply drag it. Then save this file and close it. Then go to P6. Now we have to import this file. Then file, then import, then Excel sheet. Then import wherever you save the file, go to that location, desktop, then 4860, then open it. And next, I need the activities, then import to where you want to import. I want to import to this project. Then next, then close it. Then a message is displayed that import result was successful. Then close it. Now you see all the activities has been imported. Some activities maybe go under different WBS. Then you have to check it is coming under that one or no. For example, excavation, it is not, so just cut it and paste it. Then site clearing is also under excavation, you paste there. Then compaction is also under excavation, you just paste there. Okay, now for example, painting, wall ceramic, floor ceramic, plaster work, masonry work, all these we will put under the finishes work. So just select here, right click and paste it. Then ground floor slab, ground floor beam, column, all this we can cut and paste under superstructure. Similarly, what is remaining, slab on grade, backfilling we can add, cut we can add to the excavation work, paste it here. Then slab on grade, waterproofing, column, PCC, all this activity, just press shift, cut it, we can make all the activity under foundation work, just paste it. So this is another method how we can add the activities under the WBS. So activities are the smallest component which you cannot further divide it. Okay, so in this way you will create one Excel file by exporting, and then you will edit and you will add your data, whatever data you required there, and then after you will import it, so you will get all these things. Now you should know how to make the relationship. To know the relationship, you should also know the sequence of the activities in which the work is conducted. For example, if it is a building project, building project, what you do, you, for example, first you do, like let's say site clearing, then you will do demarcation, then after demarcation you will do excavation, then after excavation you will do PCC, you will do PCC. Okay, then after PCC you will do ground floor, this you will do this, for example, column neck. Then after column neck you will do the waterproofing work. After waterproofing you will do the backfilling. How to make the relationship, just go and put here a black arrow, then you go and for example backfilling. Then this from the development process of the activity, you know which activity will come after which activity. Second thing, we are making we between two activities there is four type of relationship: finish to finish, start to start, start to finish, and finish to start. Here we are giving to finish to start relationship. What does it mean, finish to start relationship? Finish to start relationship, for example, waterproofing and backfilling. So backfilling will start when waterproofing will be completed. This relationship is called the finish to start relationship. After backfilling, you will make ground floor, uh, you will make here grade on slab on grade. Then after you make this column, then after column you will cast this beam, then after beam you will cast slab. Then once your slab is completed, you will start this masonry work. Then after masonry work you can start plaster work. After plaster work you can start painting works. Then also you can start floor ceramic, then you can start the wall ceramic. Like this, you have to know the development process and you should able to give the relationship. So we learned how to create EPS, we learned how to create WBS, we learned how to add the activities, and we also learn how to import and export file, how to give the relationship. So this was a short video, just a simple how we can make activities WBS in the Excel. In the next lecture we will learn how professionally we will work at the site from the view queue, how we will take the activities, and then how we will bring to the Excel file, and how we will give the relationship, and how we will divide the work. If it is a building project, then we have to give the distribution of the work. So all these things, cost loading, how we will do, we will see in the next lecture. So hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you have any doubt, you can text me or you can come and give the comments. So inshallah I will reply. Thank you so much.